Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add custom website shortcut to your home screen on Infinix Smart 7. And to do this, we'll need to open our Chrome browser, then find the website you want to use as a shortcut. In this case, we're going to go for our own website, hardreset.info. Click on this arrow pointing up or three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Add to Home Screen. Now we can click on that again and then add again. And if we go back to our home screen, we can click on this icon to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.